The use of deepfake technology poses significant risks to the integrity of elections by enabling the spread of false information, manipulation of public opinion, and undermining trust in the electoral process. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Deepfakes are highly realistic manipulated videos or audio recordings that use artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to alter the appearance or voice of individuals, making it difficult to distinguish between genuine and fabricated content. In the context of elections, deepfakes can be used for various malicious purposes. The potential implications of deepfake technology on the ongoing general elections 2024 in India are significant and concerning. Deepfakes, which are highly realistic synthetic media created using artificial intelligence, have the capacity to manipulate videos, audio recordings, and images to depict individuals saying or doing things they never actually did. In the context of elections, these technology could be used to spread false information, manipulate public opinion, and undermine the integrity of the electoral process. Deepfakes can manipulate public opinion by portraying candidates in a negative light of altering or the context of their statements to influence voter perceptions. By creating fake videos or audio recordings that depict candidates engaging in unethical or illegal behavior, malicious actors can undermine trust in political leaders and sow confusion among voters. Hence, there is need for legislative measures and should mandate transparency in the creation and distribution of AI-generated content with stringent penalties for those who knowingly disseminate deepfake content or mislead or harm others. Regulations could also require social media platforms to implement better monitoring and reporting systems, ensuring they can quickly identify and remove malicious deepfake content. Secondly, to address the threat posed by deepfakes in elections, it is essential for governments, election officials, technology companies, and civil society organizations to collaborate on comprehensive strategies to detect, mitigate, and combat the spread of deepfake content. This may include developing advanced detection algorithms, enhancing media literacy and critical thinking skilling among the public, implementing fact checking mechanisms, and promoting transparency and accountability in political discourse. By taking proactive steps to address the risks associated with deepfakes, stakeholders can help safeguard the integrity of elections and protect democratic processes from manipulation and distortion. Going forward, political parties and election commissions should also establish rapid response teams to address misinformation swiftly and transparently whenever it arises. Additionally, media and technology companies have the responsibility in developing technologies that can detect deepfakes at scale. AI technologies can help drive the scaling of such detection solutions. Let's look into today's headlines. Bharat Pay introduces Bharat Pay One, an all-in-one payment device. Bharat Pay introduced Bharat Pay One, a multi-purpose payment device that combines speaker, QR, and point-of-sale features. With plans to grow to 450 plus cities in 6 months, their goal is to make transactions for merchants in more than 100 cities easier. It offers a seamless experience by providing multiple payment options and real-time information. It guarantees improved speed and security with a touchscreen, 4G, Wi-Fi, and Android OS. RBI gives PayU permission to function as a payment aggregator. The Reserve Bank of India has given PayU permission in principle to function as a payment aggregator, facilitating the onboarding of new merchants. The RBI's action comes after it was previously rejected because of PayU's intricate organizational structure. This permission is in line with the RBI's recent proactive regulation of the fintech industry. PayU is the latest company to receive a similar nod, joining Razorpay and Cashfree on the list. Coca-Cola and Microsoft ink $1.1 billion agreement to use AI. Coca-Cola's $1.1 billion 5-year agreement with Microsoft to use its cloud computing and artificial intelligence capabilities is proof that the corporation has begun utilizing Microsoft's AI services. Recently, Coca-Cola began experimenting the generative AI for supply chain, production, and marketing. Additionally, Coca-Cola is investing a chance to use AI to enhance consumer experience, expedite processes, and promote innovation through its strategic alliance with Yotta. ASUS servers democratize AI development in India. According to ASUS, Yotta has chosen its ESCN8 E11 server, a cutting-edge NVIDIA HGX H108 GPU AI server for its Shakti Cloud platform. Yotta's newest AI HPC supercomputing cloud platform, Shakti Cloud, is intended to expedite and lower the cost of developing and implementing AI models for commercial use. With Shakti Cloud, Yotta hopes to transform AI research in India and provide access to world-class infrastructure for all of an organization's AI requirements. Gigabyte launches AI-enabled gaming monitor in India. Gigabyte announces the launch of the new QD OLED gaming monitor, the AO-RUS CO49DQ in India. Designed to meet the demands of modern gamers, the model promises to offer unparalleled immersion and performance that promises an exceptional gaming and multitasking experience. It comes with a 49-inch extra-wide curved QD OLED display to provide gamers with an immersive viewing experience like never before. The OLED Care feature runs AI-based presets seamlessly in the background with minimal interference. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.